So hi Hardik.
Hello.
So what inspired you to do this kind of wrap?
These colors are actually from the Marlboro livery on older
Okay.
Ferrari F40s.
Okay.
Even the front, if you see, na, this pattern and all, especially how this part is, this was done on older Marlboro liveries on Ferrari F40s.
Okay.
So this and the side text is basically an inspiration from the Aprilia MotoGP bikes. So I just wanted to do something that would basically blend, because Aprilia is a leader in MotoGP right now.
Okay.
So this and how Ferrari has always been on top. So basically merging all the Italian heritage of at least Ferraris and like the top brands that exist in the Italian racing. So these decals are basically what makes this bike Shell, because I get Shell petrol pump.
Okay.
Uh,
And currently we're at Shell too.
Yes.
Okay.
This 40 number is basically a combination of the digits of the date I got this bike.
Okay.
So December 11, 2025. So basically, if I add up all the digits, then I get 14.
Okay.
That is the number. And Rapcraft are the people who did this.
Okay. That's
So,
cool. So
yeah.
how much did you spend on the bike?
Bike, I got it for 6 lakhs. I got the quick shifter, so in total it was 6 lakhs on road.
Okay.
Yes.
Then what about the wrapping?
Wrap was 35k.
Okay.
I got it done yesterday only.
Okay.
And I have already tipped it over, so it has slightly it is turned from here now.
Okay.
So we'll see what I'll do about it.
Okay.
But-
so how much did you spend on the wrap?
Wrap was 35k.
35.
35k.
Okay. Here's the question. Okay. So we have met like in two or a couple of rides. Would you allow me to ride your bike? So you don't feel anything?
No, I've seen how you drive. I mean, I'm very sure you can. You'll ride it great. I don't have
Okay.
any doubts on it. I've seen all
cool.
the reels.
That's cool. This kind of yellow wrap is also looks too good on the bike.
This was so on a lot of vintage bikes. I had that old bulb which basically turned yellow.
Ah.
This yellow part was an impression. I wanted to do the DRLs yellow as well.
Okay.
They-
But I feel you won't get that look.
So I'm still not sure if I'll try tinting them myself. So we'll see if they'll look nice or not. But yes, that is the story behind this design. And,
That's good. You got a pretty nice looking bike.
One eternity later.